to my channel. Today I'll be doing a Chanel card holder review. I recently purchased this and I will be unboxing it with you guys. This purchase was made recently, and the new price change has already been effective when I got this, and it comes with this box, and it has a a card holder. It has a bag, like a cover bag. I don't know what the word is. It has this care manual inside it, and it comes like this. This card holder comes with this this bag. So it has like card slots. It has three. It has this card slots at the back, and in the front it has the Chanel logo, and it has another opening right here, and it comes with a zipper, and it comes with the authenticity card, and it has this tag, card holder N4852, and the color is pink. And yeah, it says it's 19B. So inside the wallet, it has this, I don't know if you can see, it has this tag, it has this front pocket here, this logo. Now of course it comes with this card slots, 3 of it. So you can fit your card slots here. You can fit like a coin, or you can fold a note, dollar note, and put it in here. And it has this zipper, and also this on the side. The color is pink. It's kind of, I really like it. Comparing it with what I have right now, this is the one I have right now. Also, it has the 3 card slot, and it has this opening here, and also this one, but this one can only fit maybe if you fold. Yeah, so this can only fit if you really fold the note and squeeze it in here. So you can see the comparison. This is a little bit bigger, and it's gonna fit more more cards and coin if you want to put in coin. So yeah, let me know if you have any question. This is Chanel card holder, and it can also be used to put coin and notes. If you like this kind of video, let me know. I'll be doing more bag review in my channel, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you like this kind of video. Thank you.